Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. So today we are looking at this Stanley digital tester which I bought from Amazon. You may ask, why is it different from the normal traditional tester? Now that is because firstly it has two functions over here. One is the direct test and the other one is the inductance breakpoint test. Now you might have seen the direct test. Now direct test isn't there in any traditional screwdriver type of tester. So what that does is it just tells you that there is 220 volts flowing through any socket in your house or any wall socket or any kind of outlet where you can plug in your devices. Now there are two buttons on this. These buttons are not, you cannot click them, but you can just hold them because you will act as a ground for this for the test. I'm just holding this and I'm putting it in the live connection over here. So you can see 12, 36, 55, 110 and 220. These are the voltages. Now you don't have to read all of it. Whatever is the last value is the voltage value of your current source, and this is 220 volts. I know because this is connected to my wall. Now let's talk about this, the build quality of this. Now the build quality is pretty much standard. Now you get one more model like this which is made by Taperia. Now Taperia and Stanley have outsourced this to China. So China, I think it's made in the same factory, only thing the branding is different. So you can see here the model number is 66-137, and behind you can hang this in your pocket, but I don't recommend that because this will poke you in your chest, so better not to keep in your pocket. And here it's written 12 to 250 volts max. So that is AC and DC. You can test this on your car battery, on any kind of adapter, 24 volts, 50 volts, and the max is 250 volts. So 250 volts, if you go above this might just melt in your hand or it might burst, so I don't know. Next is the inductance breakpoint test. Now inductance breakpoint test will show you if there is current flowing through any kind of wire or any kind of appliance. Now as you can see here, this is my charger. Now the charger is on and is powering my video lights right now. So if you hold this like this and take it close to any kind of appliance where where you know it is on, it will show you a lightning bolt. So as you can see, there's a lightning bolt over here. If I take it away from it, the lightning bolt slowly disappears. So this works on the principle of inductance. It detects a magnetic field that is there around any object that current passes through. So suppose there are many times when your charger or any kind of appliance is on, but the end source of it is not working. So like your hair dryer or your mixie or anything, any kind of heavy appliance is not working. That is because when you are rolling this wire or you're storing it away, or during the use and movement of this thing, the wire inside, the copper wire inside, gets bent. Now we don't know where exactly it is broken. Now this happens mostly in vehicles like bikes and all, where the wires near the handle, basically it bends, it keeps bending left right because of the handle movement, and then finally it breaks inside, and then you don't know why the bike is not starting or the lights are not coming on. So this is a very good tool to check that inductance. Now if this wire is cut somewhere over here near my finger and I'm holding the inductance button, you can see that you can go around this and you can see that there is current flowing. Now suppose it is broken here, this lightning bolt will disappear. So I know where exactly this wire is cut inside this cable or the housing. So I can cut this open, I can strip the wires, and I can again either solder it or join these wires. So I don't have to go and buy a new adapter or a whole new wire to replace this. So guys, as you can see, this is a very essential tool in your house. It will help you in many ways, and you don't know when you might need it. You know, when there might be some voltage fluctuation, or you want to test if there's a break in any cable or any of the wires of your home appliances. So that's about it, guys. If you have any comments about this, the build quality or anything regarding this, please leave them down in the comments below. And guys, the link for this product is in the description. You can click on it and buy it. And if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to my channel for more future videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.